Women in leadership roles is a necessity. Women can bring, that motherly nature to the fire service. Not every call is going to be the same. And obviously there is that emotional aspect. When I was younger, my sister started having seizures and my family didn't know what to do. My little sister actually ran to me and was saying, "Oh, Freya, what do I do? What do I do?" So I ran into the room, I called 911, and so I seen firefighters taking her out of the house. Those moments really affected how I seen the world. People go through hardships every day, and I want to be that light for other people. Once I found EVIT, I was just like, wow, I can actually become a part of the fire service. I can do what I want. If I put my mind to it and I set my heart to where I want to be in life, then I can be that light for other people.